Taking a look back at 7 days of news and headlines across the world of Android, this week's Android Circuit includes confirmed details of the Galaxy S9, thoughts around the dual-lens camera for the S9 Plus, new Exynos release confirms S9 details. Samsung might not be saying much at the moment about the outside of the Galaxy S9, just the new Exynos chips inside it. But everyone else is talking. Once the third-party case manufacturers start committing to a design in their droves, you can take it as read that the external design has been locked in. With Olexar's glass screen protector now on pre-order, we can discuss what that tells us about the front of the device. The Samsung Galaxy S9 is going to be more than pretty close in terms of design to the Galaxy S8. And a surprising choice for an ever-changing industry, the new South Korean flagship is going to have identical screen dimensions and sensor placements as the Galaxy S8. That's according to the Olexar glass screen protector that was released today. The screen protector was not the only visual leak on the South Korean flagship this week, but they all have something in common. The rear of the Galaxy S9 Plus is obscured as much as possible. What surprise is being hidden? These renders confirm the expected direction of the Galaxy S9, with a smaller handset retaining the single lens system. But attention is on the Galaxy S9 Plus. The extra size of the handset could offer enough volume to allow for the first dual lens on an S device. If Samsung does not want to be left behind, and typically Samsung's PR strategy is all about being the best of the best, that pretty much demands a dual lens camera somewhere. And that somewhere is going to be the back of the Galaxy S9 Plus. The deal is we all have to act surprised when we see it revealed. Thanks for watching everybody. Don't forget like and subscribe, share it if you liked.